Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I clean my hooks. I noticed that I kept my hooks for a long time in the storage because I was very busy with my daytime job, so I wasn't able to keep my hooks in a good condition. I just put them in a bag somewhere and dumped them somewhere dark. Okay, but I noticed that some of them have become very dirty. Okay, so we'll maybe you could, all right, come with me and watch me clean my hooks. All right, one by one. Okay, so first, the hook set that I have is the clover, and I also have this, I forgot the name, the other clover hook. Okay, and this one is the one that I noticed which has become very dirty. Okay, I'll show you what happened to my crochet hook. So actually it has this good pouch. Okay, the pouch is sturdy compared to this clover container, which is very flimsy and actually quite soft. I don't know if it provides a lot of protection for the hooks, but it does the job of keeping the hooks in one place. This one is a bit better. It's very sturdy. It's made of like a strong fabric, linen, maybe not linen. This is linen, but this one is a bit synthetic, and there's also a plastic lining inside. Okay, so this is what happened. I hope you can see it. There's some kind of yellowing or discoloration on this part. I think that's okay. I'm scared to say, but I think that's molds. All right, and inside you can see here it's also turning yellow. I haven't actually used this hook. I just bought it and kept it in storage because I had other hooks to use, and sometimes I only use one hook. Okay, so the plastic, what is this? The plastic handles have become a little dusty. Okay, can you see? They're very dusty, and this is the icky part. Okay, so I bought this gray hook set without the red ones. The red ones I bought from an independent seller from Indonesia. Okay, and I don't know why it's it turned out like this. Oh, can you see that discoloration there? But the gray ones don't have that kind of discoloration. So you see it's only in the red. What is that? Is it because of the material used in this red hook? I'm not sure. Okay, this red hook, okay, is different from these gray hooks, although they feel the same to me. All right, but anyway, it's become very icky, and these hooks also are a bit discolored. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take them out one by one. Okay, so let's just take those out one by one. Okay, and you can see that only the part where the red hooks from Indonesia are discolored, and I think that's some kind of mold. Oh yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try to clean it. Okay, with some wet wipes. Okay, so let's just get some wet wipes. I don't want to use very harsh chemicals to clean it because I don't want to ruin this case, because this case is actually very useful for me. Oh my god, can you see that? All right, I hope that's not molds. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, I think, is to spray on some alcohol, okay, to disinfect, okay, these parts, all of it actually, so even this. Okay, so spray it with alcohol and get some wet wipes and just try to wipe. Okay, I'm gonna try to wipe it clean gently so that I won't ruin this case, because I really need this case to keep all my hooks in one place. Alright, what will we do with this? Is discoloration. It's not coming off. I guess I need to wash it or brush it with soap and water. Oh my god. It's really not coming off, because this part is a cloth fabric. It's a fabric part. So I think I need to wash that with soap and water. Okay, however, these parts are plastic. Okay, so I think I can just wipe it off. Oh no, it's not coming off too. It's really discolored. I wonder what the material was. Okay, in the hook, the gray hooks, okay, didn't discolor, but here you can see where I put the red, the two red ones are really dirty and discolored. Okay, I can't get through that inner part there. What can I do there? Do I roll this like this and try to put it inside? Okay, maybe here too. Okay, I can't really reach the end part. Okay, so I really see some molds. Oh my god, I think I might need to wash this whole thing. Right, but outside it doesn't show any discoloration of any sort, just here where the hooks were. Okay, and now it's quite wet from these wet wipes. Okay, let's just leave it to dry for a few minutes. So I'm just gonna leave that here to dry. Okay, meanwhile I'm gonna take my hooks because they've become really dirty too. So this is the thing with this handle. Okay, it's become moldy too. Okay, we're just gonna wipe them one by one. Wipe them down. Okay, and this is the red one. Do you notice any discoloration or molding on your hook handles? Can you tell me in the comment section below if this happens to you, or is it just me here in my tropical country? My country is very humid, and sometimes molding is one of the most serious problems here in the tropical areas. But actually I live in the mountains in Baguio City, Philippines, and our problem here is, yeah, it's a bit humid and things like this always get, oh, this one is turning yellow. This handle is turning yellow. I didn't even use this. I only bought this like 2 years ago and I never had a chance to use it. I just kept it in my storage because I just use, as I said a while ago, I just use about one hook. Usually I just use my furls, okay, my furls Odyssey, and I just use one size, either 4 mm or 4.5. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this to dry. All right, let this dry there for a bit. Okay, and now let's go to our next hook set. So this is my other hook set, and I also noticed some problems. Okay, so this one is dusty. This is also brand new. I didn't really use it yet. Okay, I only used it a few times, and just the one size that I always use, and that is the 4.5. I think this is the one I always use. Okay, but if you can see also, you see that there's some kind of molding or discoloration. That really makes me sad because it's so ugly if they're discolored. I just want them to be cute pastel colors. Also the health hazard, of course, of the molds. Oh no. You see that? They are a bit discolored. And this blue one too. Try to wipe it. Oh my god. The dirt gets into the inscriptions too. I think I need to soak this maybe. I'll try to research if I can soak this handles in baking soda to get those. This green one is okay. It's clean. It has no molding or discoloration. The brown one is also okay. What about the purple? Purple one is good. Pink. Pink is also good. Orange. Yep. Yellow. Oh, thank God. And the smallest size, which is 2 mm. There are some spots there, but I don't think that's mold. Just some flint. Okay, so actually the ones that were discolored are the two blue ones. Okay, these are the ones I've used. Oh, could it be from the chemicals, lotion or oil from my hands? Or maybe sweat from my hands that made it discolored? Do you have clover hooks like this, and do they discolor too after some years of use? Can you tell me in the comment section below? Alright, my hook. These are the only two sizes that I've been using, and they are the ones that are discolored. Actually, come to think of it, for the tulip, these are the ones that I used, the most used hooks. So could it be from dirt from my own hands? Oh my god. It could be from the sweat or from the dirt from my own hands. These ones are a bit sticky. And actually when I received this from Indonesia, I think some of the plastic here, the handle was melted, something like that, maybe from the courier because it was too hot while it was being transported, so it melted a bit. It came to me quite sticky. I don't know if that's the material that discolored the case. Okay, as for this case, it's just a little dusty, so maybe I can just wipe it down like this. That does the job. It's brown, so if there's any dirt, I can't really see it. Outside is okay. The pink part has no discolorations. Okay, so I think this is good to go. I'm just gonna let it dry, air dry for a bit. And the last set that we need to clean is the Clover Japan. Amazingly, I don't see any visible dirt or discoloration for this part. And even if we, for this hook set, I mean, if we take them out, the back part is still clean. Okay, everything seems new. Okay, also this hook, I haven't used it. I didn't really have time to use this hook, okay, for any projects. Just the one size, the 4, I think this one, the 4 millimeters. Oh, that's not the one. This one is the one I use. But amazingly, this hook set or pouch has no visible dirt on it. It's in pristine condition, no dirt, and no molding. Okay, so that's how I clean my hooks. Okay, and I'm just gonna wait for a little bit to let this case air dry. It's still a bit wet from the alcohol, and I will put back all my tulip hooks in one place. All right, so thank you for helping me clean my crochet hook set. Okay, actually I have more. I have the Susan Bates hook set, but I don't know if I should clean that. And I also have the one from Timo. Okay, let me just get it. Okay, so this is the hook set from Timo. And oh wow, it's really dirty too. Okay, one hook is missing. It's also very dirty. Oh, here are my needles. Okay, let me just get another wipe. Okay, so just totally spray on it because it's a bit moldy and dusty. How can the dust get inside even if I zip it up? So just a general cleaning of my hooks. I don't know where the other hook is. So these are the ones from Temu. Okay, they do get dusty once in a while. Let's just bring them out one by one for cleaning purposes. Okay, these are very heavy metal hooks, and you can see it actually makes sound as a very strong sound when they bump together because they're very heavy. Wow, they're very dusty. You can see the dust there, right? These hooks have become very dusty from being kept in storage for a long time. Actually, I put them in a cloth pouch. How do you store your hooks so it won't get dusty and moldy? Right, so it looks like this container needs some wiping too. Alright, how do you keep your hooks clean? Can you tell me? Give me some tips in the comment section. Okay, tell me how you keep your hooks in good condition. And do you clean your crochet hooks? And how often do you do it? Okay, so that looks clean now. I'm sorry. Alright, that looks clean. Okay, so I just wiped it down and it kind of looks okay now. Alright, so I'm just gonna let all my hooks and my cases air dry so that I can put them all back together. All back together in their respective cases. Okay, all right, so thank you for joining me. All right, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.